In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up free shipping on Shopify. Now, be sure to watch the end of the video because I'm going to teach you a few different customizations that you can do to it to set it to your own needs. So now what we need to do is go into settings. And by the way, make sure you're all signed in and everything, of course, on the right store. So go to settings. And we want to go over here into shipping and delivery. Now, from here, this is where we're going to mess around with settings. So we want to go to general shipping rates. You could also create a custom shipping rate for new groups of products if you want to. So if you have like a specific product you want to offer free shipping on, you can do create new profile and add the product into there. So you do this and you would add the products and you would add the shipping zones and you would call this like free shipping products, for example. Now, what I'm going to show you next is how to do it for general products. So let's say United Kingdom, we want to add a free shipping tier. What we do, we'd click add rate, or you can edit one of these, add rate, and it might be on this by default. We want to put it on set your own rates. So I'm going to call this one free shipping. Now the price needs to be 0, of course, and you can hit done, and basically that's going to have the free shipping there. But there's more that you can do for this. So free shipping is a powerful tool that you can leverage to get yourself more sales and to make more money. So what I can do here is I can add rate and I can say free shipping. And in here I'd want to put some like something to make it seem better, insured and tracked. And you know, you maybe want to put the time frame, so like 2 to 4 days. Add that in here, and then we can do this thing called add conditions. So we can add conditions based on the item weight. So if an item weighs less than £10, we can offer them free shipping. Now you can also do this based on price. This is 10 Great British pounds now. So if the order is more than £50, then they will get free shipping. This is a great one to do. So at the top of your store, you can put get free shipping over £50, and this will boost your AOV by so much. So we can hit save on here. And now if I try and add an item to cart that's above, or if I add like multiple items to cart that are above £50, then I'm going to get free shipping on them, on that order. Now what you need to note is that this is only done for the UK. So other places like the EU zone and international zone, they're not going to do it. So what you need to do is manually add it to this one as well. And this one. Now, when you're doing this, you may have a thing that says this, like customers in this market won't be able to check out because the countries are inactive. So what you want to do here is you want to click go to markets. And from here, you need to turn them to active. Hit save. And the reason for this is that you have to turn on these markets before they would work. Now I can go back. Shipping delivery. Manage, and this error code should now be gone. Yeah, you can see it's gone. So now I could just add the free shipping tier. I could add the conditions for it, £50 and up. Get it done, and that's going to be available. What you could also do is you could turn off this one at £50 or whatever. So what that would mean is that so this one will go to £50 and this one will go £50 up. So if they basically both won't show up above £50, which is good because it will be less confusing and convert better. But basically hit save, and then that's how it's going to work, and you've done it there. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that this helped. Plus, please comment down if you have any questions or any other videos you want to make, and I'll do my best to reply to those and help you figure out your problem. So thank you for watching.